Well, as the end of the year quickly approaches here, healthcare is among the last items on the House of Representatives agenda. We do know that the Republican-backed proposal includes expanding the availability of associated health plans to allow employers to join together and buy coverage. It would also fund cost-sharing reduction payments to lower premiums for certain Affordable Care Act enrollees. But the plan, it doesn't extend those enhanced ACA subsidies, which do expire on New Year's Eve. Now, if those Obamacare subsidies, those ACA subsidies lapse, several studies show that some could see their premium payments more than double here.
A lot more than a lot of people can handle with their budgets. 11 Alive's Doug Richards shows how Georgia families are preparing for those higher prices.
I've got multiple autoimmune conditions and connective tissue disorders.
Himali Patel of DeKalb County says she spends an inordinate amount of her time in front of healthcare specialists.
So I've got multiple autoimmune conditions and connective tissue disorders. And last year I was diagnosed with cancer.
She has been an Affordable Care Act customer for more than a decade. Her newest out-of-pocket premium for ACA coverage was a shocker.
My premium is actually quadrupled. More than quadrupled.
And that's because she and hundreds of thousands of other Georgians have lost a COVID-era subsidy. Congress has declined to extend it as part of a partisan power struggle at the U.S. Capitol.
My cost per month is going up by $1,300. That's $15,000 a year.
Angela Holmes of Macon is another ACA customer, observing the bickering in Washington and eyeing how it's affecting her family budget.
It's very, very scary. I have two major conditions, which mean that my health care must be continuous and it must be good coverage.
Holmes says it presents a stark choice, giving up on health care or facing medical bankruptcy.
I simply can't afford the premiums that it would take to get the level of coverage that I need.
The Affordable Care Act was designed to be affordable.
15 years later, they say no more. Doug Richards, 11 Alive News.